Okay, you know, in spiritual realm, everything that happens to you, everything that happens to us has deeper meaning to it. Nothing happens for nothing. So, yawning during prayer is not bad. It's not a bad sign. It's a good sign. It's alignment. It means your soul feels the bond between you and the presence of God and embraces a level of spiritual connection and instantly becomes so receptive. So, anytime you yawn during prayer, don't quickly dismiss it and say, God forbid. No, don't dismiss it. Just calmly and gently yawn and continue your prayer. Don't dismiss it. Just yawn and continue your prayer. It's a good thing. It's alignment. You are safe. Nothing bad about it.